Hi, today we're going to show you how to install your docking station lock onto your docking station for security purposes. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pop this rubber piece off of the docking station, and you can use a screwdriver or a key would work just as well. The next thing we're going to do is take the lock, and you're going to go ahead and position it with the key inside to 0. And then this way the lock snaps in. Go ahead and put it at 1 for now. We're going to go ahead and install the next piece is the actual wiring. We're going to go ahead and loop this. Here, let's go ahead and have this camera zoom in right here. So what I like to do is just loop it around to the grates of your desk. And if you don't have this kind of setup, you can use the foot of your desk as well. Loop it through, get it as tight as possible, and then you're going to go ahead and plug this piece in here. And right now it's not letting me because the key has to be positioned to to 0. So now it's at 0. If you push the key forward and take the key out, now this piece is locked securely in. Go ahead and set that back. Now we're going to go ahead and place our laptop into the docking station and lock the docking station. Now you'll see that it's not completely locked. So this is where you would go ahead and use your key, lock it, and then turn the key, and now your docking station is locked, your wire is locked, and then your laptop is locked securely as well. So go ahead and try this. If you have any issues or questions, feel free to visit the tech bar. Thank you.